Hi, here is your quick tutorial on how to do Ujjayi breathing. It's the kind of breath that I'm always cueing in the yoga practices that I lead of Baptiste Power Yoga. So start with your arms crossed across your belly and collapse down and let your belly be soft. Have your hands along your rib cage here and take a deep breath in. Let your belly be soft and breathe out. And notice the lack of impact on the rib cage when you do that. Do that again. Breathe in with the belly soft, and there's like a little movement in the ribs, but not much, and breathe out. Okay, now sit up tall. Pull the pit of the belly in and up towards the spine. And now bring your arms across to your rib cage here. Pull the pit of the belly in and up towards the spine. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And notice the impact of the breath on the rib cage with the pit of the belly pulled in and the spine up tall. Okay, you can relax your hand and bring one hand in front of your face, like hold it up like it's a mirror. Pull the pit of the belly in, spine tall, and take a deep breath in. And blow out your mouth like you're trying to fog up the mirror. Like a foggy breath. Do that again, in through the nose. Pit of the belly in. And fog up a mirror. Now seal your lips and breathe in through the nose. Try to fog up the mirror out your nose. So pit of belly in, spine tall, breathe in. Out the nose, try to fog up the imaginary mirror. You can relax your hand and do that again. Now try to create the same audible noise on the inhale. And audible exhale. Pit of belly to spine, sitting up tall. Foggy breath in. And foggy breath out. Ujjayi breath gives you three important things for your yoga practice. One, when you hear the audible Ujjayi breath, you are in the flow, and then all of a sudden things get quiet and you're like, where's my breath? So then you know, oh, there's this sound that's missing. And so what that's actually doing is bringing you into the present moment. Like fully you hear your breath. When it's not there, you're present to it's not there, so you bring it back in. Number two, it creates heat. The friction that it's causing in the throat when you do the audible breath that sounds like Darth Vader, it's building heat from the inside out. So if you're not in a heated studio, you're somewhere else, you can build the heat from within. And then number three, it's telling your brain that everything's okay. So in the Baptiste Power Yoga practice, we do challenging poses like hold you in Warrior Two or a big twist for a long time. And if you're breathing slowly, your brain says, oh, I'm not actually running from a tiger. I can be calm while I do this challenging thing. Whereas like if you're in fight or flight, your breath is shallow. So we don't want to be in the fight or flight in the practice of holding long poses. So the Ujjayi breath allows you to breathe slow. It's like you can't breathe Ujjayi fast. It can only be slow. So when you're doing that, you're telling your body and your brain that everything is okay. So it creates presence, it builds heat, and it lets you know that everything's okay. Hope this was helpful. Have a great rest of your day.